Hey there, tech fans. Today I've got a brand new set of night vision binoculars from our friends over at Hotpeak. Now, if you've never used night vision equipment before, it can be a really cool experience to walk out in your backyard at night or wander through the woods and use a product like this to notice everything around you that you can't possibly see because it's pitch dark. This product will illuminate the area around you and let you observe animals in their natural habitat without disturbing them. It'll let you look at different areas in your backyard and really zoom in on things to get a clearer picture. But it doesn't stop there, because even though they're built for night vision, you can also use them during the day. They've got a 12x zoom, so they make a really nice set of binoculars. You can record 4K footage on them. You can take really crystal clear pictures, up to 112 megapixels, and they'll last a long time on a single charge. So they're really a couple of different products in one, but the night vision aspects of this really impressed me, because I've tested a lot of night vision products, and I have to say, for the price, I was blown away by how good this set actually is. And I'll talk about that a little bit more in a bit. But first, I'd like to start with a quick unboxing just to show you everything that's included with the product. And then I'll talk a little bit more about night vision in general and why I think this particular set is a great value, especially at the price point, if you're looking for some type of night vision equipment. And then I'll show you some of the controls so you understand how to use it. And I'll come back with a couple of final thoughts, because there are a lot of products on the market that enable you to see in the darkness. This one, I think, gives you everything you need, again, at a price point that's pretty reasonable. All right, so let's do the unboxing, and then I'll talk about the features. So when you first pop open the box, you'll find the unit. Really nice, small enough to fit in your hand, really comfortable, fit in a backpack, not take up a lot of room. It's got a beautiful 3-inch color screen on the front, and it's got two lenses on the back. One of these is an infrared illuminator, the other one is the actual lens, and you can focus the lens right here by spinning that. So just like regular binoculars, you can spin that. Now, one thing that's different is these are called binoculars, but they're really not the kind of binoculars I know, where you've got two little eye cups normally that you're looking through, that you can focus on. This has the screen, so you're actually looking at the screen. And when I first started testing these, I thought, okay, well, I'll just put it up to my face, but you really don't want it like that close to your face. You want to sort of look at it right here. You're watching the screen and you're focusing in on everything around you. You'll also notice it's got a 1/4-inch hole on the bottom of it that you can use with a tripod, which I recommend, because if you're trying to zoom in on something far away, you don't want to have it shaking. Even though it has some stabilization technology built in, having it on a tripod or a monopod allows you to really zoom in on a particular animal or something out in the distance and give you a clear image. All right, so in addition to that, there's a neck strap, which I think is nice. So you can click this on either side of it and hang it around your neck. So if you're wandering through the woods, then maybe you hear some motion over to the side and you're thinking, could that be a tiger? I don't know, could be a tiger. You can spin it over there and take a look at it, just lift them up. You'll also find a charging cable, which is a USB-A to USB-C. So this unit has a USB-C port on the side of it. You'll plug this into that. The USB-A can plug into any standard wall charger to quickly charge these units. Now, the product itself has a 5,000 milliampere hour battery inside, which provides 10 hours of viewing at night and up to 15 hours of viewing during the day. Because remember, at night, you've got an infrared illuminator, and I'll explain what that is in a minute, that's drawing a little bit more current. So during the night, you're not going to get as long a use out of it. But to be honest with you, 10 hours at night on a full charge is a lot of time. I mean, it's going to be dawn before you run out of power. You'll also find a full instruction manual that explains everything you could possibly want to know about the product, how to use it, how to charge it, how to record, how to change the settings. So always read through the manual to make sure you get the best possible use out of the product. All right, so let's start with some understanding about night vision. So night vision is different. A lot of people think of that as thermal vision, and that's a different animal completely. Thermal vision is based on a sensor understanding heat signatures of an object. So when you're looking through a thermal camera, you're going to see different colors depending on the heat that's being emanated from that product. So if you're in the woods, maybe you'll see cold things are darker, hot things are warmer, so you're going to see different colors, maybe a red for warmer things. That isn't night vision. Night vision requires three things. It requires a really good sensor on the front, which this one has, so it's going to pick up a lot of latent light, which is really hard to see at night. It's got to have an infrared emitter on it. So what an infrared emitter is, it's like a flashlight in the infrared band, which is not visible to us, but what that infrared emitter does is it throws a lot of infrared light out into the distance that will illuminate those products or those people that are out there. So if you're moving through the woods, you'll see trees, you'll see dogs, you'll see whatever happens to be out there, and that's because of that infrared illuminator. Now, normally, if it's not pitch black, there's enough reflective light coming off that object where you can see it. But the advantage this unit has, it has a multi-stage infrared illuminator. You can adjust that, essentially adjusting the brightness of that infrared flashlight to whatever accommodation you need. So if it's really, really dark, you can crank it up. If it's less dark, maybe you've got some lighting around you, some ambient light, you can turn it back down. So it gives you a lot more control than you'd expect, because normally night vision binoculars in this price range, the infrared is either on or it's off and you have no control over it. And that can be a problem, because if you turn it on and there's ambient light around, it can wash out the scene in front of you and it eliminates a lot of the detail. So having the ability to vary that infrared emitter intensity, I think, is a really big advantage. Another nice thing about these particular binoculars are that they provide 12x zoom. So it's got a digital zoom that'll actually pull in really tight on an object or an animal, and that can be helpful because if you're kind of far away from, I don't know, a bird or a dog or maybe a raccoon, you don't have to get too close to it. You can actually stay back and zoom in 12x, and you're going to get some great imaging that you can record or you can take a picture of. In addition to that, this unit has recording capabilities, like I'd mentioned, for 4K footage and up to 112 megapixel pictures that are stored in an SD card, and it comes with a 64 gig SD card, which fits into the side of it. You can open this little rubber gasket right here on the side, and you'll find a micro SD card slot right there that you can slide that memory card into. You'll also find a USB-C port, and that's used for charging the unit, again, from any USB wall charger. It's also used for transferring files off that memory card to your computer. And in the center, there's a little hole you can use a paper clip to reset the unit if you need to factory settings. Now, another advantage this product has, in addition to it being great for night vision, it's also great during the day. And you have a couple of choices. You can use it as a set of binoculars to record 4K footage and great pictures. You can use it at night by turning on the infrared illuminator and really lighting up an area so you can get some great night vision. You also have a flashlight on here, which is kind of cool, that has multiple functions. So you can turn it on by tapping that button. There's your flashlight. You tap it again, it dims. Tap it again, it dims. Tap it again, it flashes. And tap it again, you've got SOS. So if you need somebody to rescue you, maybe turn on the SOS. Now, one thing that I like about it is I like the flashing mode, because if you're out at night and there is something dangerous there, you can turn that on. That'll typically scare away any kind of animal. They don't like flashing lights like that. So it's really, like I said, a multi-functioning product. Now, one other thing I do want to mention is the screen, because a lot of these units come with a really tiny screen, which makes it hard for you to see what's going on. This one has a 3-inch screen, which is plenty big. And again, I keep saying this, for all the features that are built into this, I think they've built an incredibly valuable product at the price range, because normally night vision products tend to be very expensive, and a lot of them don't give you the features that this product has. So I think you've got pretty much everything you need to use this for night vision, to use it during the day as binoculars, to use it during the day to record footage. If you've got kids that are playing a soccer match or something, you can record that. It takes great pictures, and it's small enough and durable enough to put in your backpack and take with you pretty much anywhere. All right, if you stay tuned next, I'll take a closer look at the unit and explain the buttons so you know how to use it. And then I'll come back one more time and talk a little bit more about why this product is special. Because again, there's a lot of night vision products on the market. It can get confusing because the specifications look similar. And I've tested a lot of them. I like this one an awful lot for the reasons I'll explain in a bit. The unit's made of high impact plastic, which really resists a lot of cracking and scratching. It fits in your hand really well. It's comfortable. On the front, you've got a focus right here, focus ring, so when you're viewing something at a distance, you can pull it in nice and tight. 3-inch screen on the bottom gives you plenty of illumination there during the day and even at night. On the top of the unit are a series of buttons. I'll start on this side. That's the menu button as you're walking through the different menus on the front. This is the playback button, so if you've recorded footage or want to review photos, you can use that. This button switches between photos and video. This allows you to change the infrared emitter intensity and also the intensity of the screen. This turns it on. This is zoom, zoom in, zoom out. And then this button right here starts the recording. There's one more button there that turns on the flashlight. You'll hold that down, the flashlight will come on. You can tap it to move through the different functions of the flashlight. And on the side of the unit, as I'd mentioned, there's a rubber gasket right there. And behind that, you'll find a USB-C port for charging and transferring files to your computer, a micro SD card slot. I have a memory card in there now, and a reset portal right there that you can use a paper clip. Once you power it up, just tap that button gently to reset the unit. Then finally on the bottom, you'll find that 1/4-inch mounting right there. that you can use on any standard tripod, or if you've got a monopod, you can screw it in there and that'll give you a lot of stability with the unit. That's pretty much it for the product. I hope that closer look was helpful. Now here are a few really important things to understand about this particular product that you can use to compare it to other night vision binoculars you may be considering. The first thing has to do with the screen. 3-inch screen on this one. It's a color screen, gives you really crisp images during the day and plenty of illumination on that screen, which you can adjust the brightness on for night vision. You need a really good screen. Another difference is the infrared lensing sensor inside here. They've built in a really quality sensor which gives you really crisp images at night, which is hard to duplicate. A lot of these units look similar, but they're using a less expensive sensor which can't pick up as much light, so it gives you like a fuzzy or blurry picture. I really like the fact that the infrared illuminator on this one is adjustable, because that allows me to adjust just how much light I'm throwing downstream during the evenings, so I'm not oversaturating in that area, because a lot of them, the infrared is either on or it's off, and if you turn it on, it might be too bright or it might not be bright enough. With this one, you have multiple steps you can walk through to actually illuminate that area. I also like the fact that it's got a really big battery. It's 5,000 milliampere hours, which gives you 10 hours at night and up to 15 hours during the day, which is pretty incredible. I also like the fact that the unit itself records footage at 4K resolution, which is about the best you can get. It's like DSLR quality, and it can record images up to 112 megapixels, so I can use it as a camera. I've got a 12x zoom, so I can zoom in on things if I'm at a sporting event. I can use it for night vision and record nocturnal animals walking around in the woods or the backyard. I mean, it's got everything I need. I like that they've included a neck strap, charging cable, which makes it easy, and it's got a 64 gig memory card. A lot of the other products on the market may look similar, but then you get it home, you power it up, and you realize, I gotta get a memory card. Then you gotta spend more money to get that. I think what they've done with this product, Hotpeak has put together the perfect package for getting started with night vision and really enjoying it as a set of binoculars during the day. And that's pretty much all I had for today. So hopefully you found this review helpful. I like this product an awful lot, and that's why I'm talking about it. I think you're gonna like it as well. So thanks again for watching, and until next time, as always, stay nerdy.